How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off GPS on Android. So this will stop your location from being tracked. What you want to do is open up your settings, scroll down until you find the location menu, press that, and as you can see it's toggled on at the minute. So to turn off location tracking you would simply turn that off, and now no apps will have access to your location. If you want to give a certain app access to your location, then you would select app permissions and then come down and find the app. So we'll choose Google Maps, and you can choose it to allow access all the time or only when you're using the app. So that's how you turn off GPS on Android. Thank you for watching.